Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati K.S., Assistant Professor, Department of Shastra and Vaishya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. So today we will deal regarding the Adharabhuta Siddhantas of the Vaishya Kalpana. So in that we can deal regarding the Aushadha Sevana Kala. So all the classical books have explained about the specific time for the consumption of the medicine. So according to the Acharya Charaka, he has mentioned the 10 Aushadha Sevana Kalas, and shloka is like this. वैशिच्यकाले भुक्तादौ मध्ये पश्चात् मुहुर्मुहुर् समुद्घं भक्तसंयुक्तं ग्रासान्तरे दशः. So this reference from the Charaka Chikisa 30th chapter 298 shloka number. So Bhaktadhu is nothing but the early morning on the empty stomach, and Bhaktadhu 2 is that before food, and Madhya, that is in between a single meal, and Paschat, that is after morning food, and Paschat is that is after evening food, and Muhur is nothing but the frequently or repeatedly, and Samudkha, that is before and after the food, Bhakta Samyukta, that is along with the food, and Grasa, that is along with each bolus of the food, and Grasantara is in between the two bolus of the food. And next, according to the Acharya Shishruta, he has mentioned the 10 Aushadha Sevana Kalas, and shloka is like this. Tatra abhaktam, pragbhaktam, adhobhaktam, madhyabhaktam, antarbhaktam, अंतर्भक्तं सबक्तं समुद्घं मुहुर्मुहुर् ग्रासं ग्रासान्तरं च इति दश औषधकालाः. So reference from the Shushruta Uttarakhanda 64 shloka number. So abhaktha, that is without food, and prag bhaktha is before food, and adho bhaktha after food, madhya bhaktha, that is in between a meal, antara bhaktha is in between the two meals, and Sir Bhaktha is mixed along with the food, and Sir Mudkha is before and after the food, and Muhur Muhur, that is again and again, and Grasa, that is along with the each bolus of the food, and Grasantara is in between the two bolus of the food. Next, according to the Acharya Vagbata, he has mentioned the 11 Aushadha Sevana Kalas, and shloka is like this. अभक्तं प्राक्भक्तं मध्यभक्तं अधोभक्तं सभक्तं अन्तर्भक्तं सामुद्घं मुहुर्मुहुर् सग्रासं ग्रासान्तरं निषीच. So Ashtanga Sangraha Sutrasthana 23rd chapter and 12 shloka number. So a bhakta is without food, and prag bhakta is before food, and Madhya Bhakta is in between a meal, and Adho Bhakta is after food, Antara Bhakta is in between two meals, and Sa Bhakta is mixed along with the food, Sa Mudkha is before and after food, Muhur Muhur is again and again, Sa Grasa is along with each bolus of the food, Grasantara is in between the two bolus, and Nishi is that is nothing but the night at the bedtime. Next, according to the Acharya Sharangadhara, shloka is like this. So नेय पंचविध खालो वैशिच्य ग्रहणे नृणां किंचित सूर्योदये जाते तथा दिवस भोजने सायंधने भोजने च मुहुश्चापि तथा निशि. So Suryodaya is nothing but the Suryodaya Kala, that is at the sunrise time, and Divasa Bhojane, second one is the Divasa Bhojana, that is during the day meals, and Sayanthara, that is evening time, and Muhur Muhur is repeatedly, and Nishi is that is at the bedtime. Next, Saviryatha Avadi. So Saviryatha Avadi is nothing but the shelf life of the formulations or any medicines. So in reference from the Sharangdar Samhita, shloka is like this. गुणहीनं भवेत् वर्षात् ऊर्ध्वं तद्रूपम् औषधं मासद्वये तथा चूर्णं हीनवीर्यत्वम् आप्नुयात् हीनत्वं गुटिकालेहो लभेते वत्सरात् परं हीनः स्युः कृततैलाद्यश्चतुर्मासाधिकस्ततः औषधेभ्यो लघुपाकाः स्युः निर्वीर्य वत्सरात् परं पुराणस्युगुणैर्युक्तो आसव धातवो रसः. So all the medicines in general, its Aviryathavadi is 1 year, and for the Churna Kalpana, that is medicated powders, its Saviryathavadi is for the Masadvaya, that is 2 months, and for the Vati Gutika Avaleha Kalpanas, its Saviryathavadi is for the 1 year, and for Krita Thaila, its Savirathavadi is 16 months. That is 1 year plus 4 months extra. That is 16 months. And for all the Lagupaki Aushadhas, its Savirathavadi is 1 year. And for the Asava Arista Dhatu Basma Rasa Aushadis, so older the better. Means or the infinite is the Saviratha Avadi. Next, Savirathavadi of the different dosage forms. So, for the Panchvida Kashya Kalpana, Upakalpanas, etc., is for the Sadhyo Sevana, that is for the instant use. And for the Churna Kalpanas, as I told, it is 2 months Savirathavadi. For the Arka Kalpanas, 1 year. And for Kshara Kalpana or Kshara Sutras, it is for 5 years. And for the Sattva, it is 3 to 4 years. Masi Kalpana, that is Masi Kalpana, Lavana Kalpana, Aiskriti, it's Savidyathavadi infinite duration, and for the Rasakriya that is 1 year, and for the Phanita, Sharkara, Avaleha, Kudapaka, Khanda Kalpanas or Varti Kalpanas, etc. Its Savirathavadi is for the 1 year, and for Sneha Kalpanas, as I told, it is 16 months, and for the Madhya Shukta Kalpanas, its Savirathavadi for the infinite duration, and for the Patya Kalpana, that is dietic preparations, Savirathavadi is Sadhya Sevana, that is for the instant use, and for the Kriya Kalpas or Nasya Basti Kalpana, so its Savirathavadi depends on the what the dosage form we are using. And for the Lepa Kalpana, like 6 months if it is in the powder form we can use. And for the Malahara Kalpana, Savirathavadi is for the 1 year. And for the Upanaha, 6 months if it is in the powder form. And for the Tupanadravyas, 6 months to 1 year if it is in the coarse powder form. Next, Aushadha Matra is nothing but the dosage. So the dose should be so consideration of the dose is very important to achieve the desired result or the action. So because if the dose is too large, so it may cause any like harmful side effects, or if you're giving the dose in the small, it would not be so effective. So hence the dose is must be regulated or it should be properly given, and to get the desired action in the body. So here we have to consider so many factors like this one agni is nothing but the power of the digestion capacity, or the kala, that is the time duration, including the seasons when the drug is to be administered, and vaya, that is the age of the patient, bala is nothing but the strength of the patient, prakriti is nothing but the physical constituent of the patient, and the doshas or the nature of the dosha which is involved in the causation of the disease, or desha, that is the nature of the desha involved in the habitation of the patients. These are should be considered, and Acharya Sharangadara has suggested dosages according to the age. And the preparation age as well as and the preparation. So according to him, for the 1 month old child, the dose should be of the 1 rati, that is 125 mg, which should be given in the form of the confection with the milk or honey or ghee, sugar, and the dose should be increased at the rate of 1 rati per month up to 1 year. So from 1 year to 16 years, it should be increased of 1 masha every year, and from 16 to 70, it should be like 16.5 grams, it will come to 16.5 grams. So after that 70 years, decrease the dose slowly as that of the child dose. Next is the Anupana. So Anupana So Anupana is usually an adjuvant or a fluid vehicle for the internal administration of the medicine, and functions of the Anupana is that mainly it does the tarpana of the body and readily helps in ahara pachana. It provides strength and provides good lifespan, and its significance is that as the drop of the oil put on the stable waters, as it spreads quickly, in the same way Anupana helps for the quick absorption as well as assimilation of the medicines. So this is regarding today's topic, Adharabhuta Siddhantas of Vaisheshika Kalpanas. So if you have any queries, please to mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.